guys, you are tuning in to Dioxazine. As you can see from the title above, we are going to be doing a girly collective haul. This is everything that I kind of got over the weekend. I hit up a bunch of stores. I went shopping. I went a little bit crazy because you guys know I do have a shopping addiction. Burlington, TJmaxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. Well, Home Goods was a part of TJmaxx, but I really wanted to accessorize my room, make things a little bit more girly, especially on things that I touch on a daily basis. So that's kind of like where my mindset was at when I went into those stores. I hit the jackpot. I picked up super cute things that I have been eyeing for a long time, things I have been seeing these influencers be wearing, be using, and I'm just like, girl, I need to get on that trend. I need to get on that era. So without further ado, let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Let's just start off with the first bag that I see, which is Burlington. Oh, by the way, if you guys don't know, Dioxazine is actually a color, so I think it definitely represents me. It is a beautiful dark purple color, and it's just bougie, it's bad, it's classy, so I really like that color and it represents me, so that's why it's Dioxazine. Anyways, I was really trying to find like dark purple colors, but I feel like right now the trend is really in pink, so it's fine. I like pink as well, but I love my pink and black. Those two colors together are my favorite scheme. But that brings me to the first thing that I got, which is actually the only thing that I found in a dark purple color. This is a BB bath set. Oh my god, you guys, isn't this super cute? So this is BB's body collection, and then it has obviously a luxury bathrobe that's in purple, and then it also has 3 more items on the bottom. It has a body wash, a body lotion, and then also a bath soak. And the bath soak also is very hydrating because it uses argan oil and shea butter, so you guys already know that it's double moisturizing, especially for the winter. You need that. My skin gets super dry, so I love anything that just brings me extra hydration. And I love the purple robe. It even has a hole so you can kind of feel it, and girl, it feels so soft. This one is $24.99. I really feel like this is going to be a great gift as well, or if you even just want to leave this whole set inside your guest bathroom whenever your friends or your family come over and leave it on display. I think it's super cute. And then the next thing, staying in the same topic, I picked up 2 Juicy Couture bathrobes. This is the first one that I picked up, and then of course I had to pick up its friend. Definitely have seen a couple of influencers wearing this black Juicy Couture. This I got in the size small and medium. This was $19.99, and then this one I actually got it in a large and extra large because I couldn't find a small and medium. But you guys, I just tried this on today, and this actually fits me more perfectly. This actually fits more like a medium, so I would just recommend that any of you girlies that are around 5'6" that wears a medium size, definitely pick this one up, a large and an extra large. I don't know if I've been saying bathrobes. These are sleeping robes, they're not bathrobes, but I really like it when my robes are all the way down here and they're not just stopping right here, because you know, you're just trying to stay warm. And I wish you could feel the fabric. It is actually really soft. I can see why Juicy Couture is really coming back into life. These are so cute, the design and everything, like chef's kiss. And here we have another bag from Burlington. I mean, how could I not? Like, look at the beautiful bows. These are so adorable. They're actually not that big in the camera. I'm like showing it super close, so it looks kind of huge, but they're actually pretty small. It's so fluffy. You guys can see that. Obviously the ribbons say Juicy Couture, and I really wanted to pick these up because I've never even purchased anything like this. These remind me of Uggs so much, and I really think that these are the more affordable ones. These were $29.99, and I got them in a size 8. It does leave a little bit of room for thick socks. I definitely hit the jackpot with these because those were the last pair at my Burlington, and I actually only have one Burlington in my area. The other one is about an hour away. The Burlingtons that I see online where influencers are just showing all their stuff, I never see that many stuff at mine because everyone in my city goes to that Burlington. The next stuff I'm going to show you is 3 bags that I picked from Burlington. So these are the 2. I really wanted to pick them together because they're like twins, you guys. They're like soul sisters, and they deserve to be next to each other. color. They were displayed on opposite sides of the bag section. I don't know why. So when I saw one and then I made it all the way to the other section, I was like, yo, it kind of looks like what I already have. Let me just see how they both look like together. And you guys, I could not separate them. But also has these butterfly charms on it and is made of a gold chain. It really reminds me of some of the Coach bags, so that's kind of why I picked it up. These are really inexpensive. I think these will spice up any wardrobe, and I definitely think that they go well with a lot of colors like this one. Isn't that so cute? This one was $14.99 and this one was also $14.99. They labeled this in the colored taupe, but I would just say this is a light brown. This is more definitely a dark brown. And then the third bag I got is a Juicy Couture bag. I think this looks super vintage. This looks like the old school 2005 Juicy Couture bags. My aunties and my mamas be wearing this type of bag, and I think just bringing back this era is so cute. I love that they're displaying these bags and then it's actually brand new even though it looks vintage. A very cute scheme of brown, and I got this one for $17.99, but this retails for $69.99. It's in the color Chestnut Chino, and this is the Love is Juicy shoulder bag. So super cute, you guys. All right, let's move on to the next store. I'm gonna show off Marshall's because it is right here. The first thing I see is this Curl Whirl heat-free overnight curling system. I got this because I honestly wanted to see if these heat-free curling systems really work on my hair. I know that you guys have seen the ones where like you put like the huge rope around your hair and then you kind of like twist it like this. So that didn't work for me, and I think it's just because my hair is really frizzy, and so I'm trying to see if, you know, they have multiple parts in it, like if that will work for my hair. And of course I saw a gal with curly hair, so I'm like, maybe it's meant for curly hair queens. I'm not sure which type of hair texture I have, but I know I have really curly hair and I have really frizzy hair, so we'll see if this will work. I am definitely gonna give it a try sometime this week. And then the next thing I see, this could definitely be such a cute Christmas gift because obviously on the outside it's Christmas, but this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company that came up with this. I love how each of these claw clips have fabric outside and they're all pink in different colors. And I think these are for thick hair girlies. These clamps are really big. I love the little message that they have on the back side. So it's basically glamour and charm from the 1950s. And then I also got these. These are the second ice cooling globes that I have. The first one I have is the heart one, and I was using it in my beauty maintenance vlog for you guys, but then I picked up a second one because these were so cute. I couldn't pass them. These, you just leave them in the fridge. As they get colder, probably in a couple of hours you can take them out. I would probably just wipe them down in case it's like in any fridge stuff, or what I do is I actually put these in Ziploc bags before I put them in the fridge, just so that it's sanitized, because you are touching your face with it and you don't want to put any bacteria on it. But I love these. These have really been depuffing my skin. I've been sleeping a lot lately, so I think when I wake up my skin is just very puffy, and I've been using these to help in the morning. These I got for $9.99, and I realized I didn't tell you how much the other ones were. So this one was $6.99, and then this curling system was $5.99. And the next thing I got was actually in the clearance section. Y'all, don't sleep on the clearance section. Sometimes they leave stuff in there, but these are the Mean Girls bath bombs. So these are pomegranate scented. I am seriously gonna display this in my bathroom, but I have 6 bath bombs in here. It was $7.99, but now it is $6, and obviously cruelty free and vegan. And then I got this one, dioxazine color. I love it, but this one is just an edge control treatment. This is in a pretty popular brand. I see this brand all over Target, and I picked that up because I am braiding my hair pretty soon. I don't usually do edges, so that's why I never pick something up like that, but you know, just to make sure. Then the next things I got were skincare stuff. These two are the Hello Kitty hand creams. I got My Melody and then I got obviously Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is in Apple Blossom and then My Melody is in Strawberry Cake. I think that these were really cute just to add into your purse, your wallet, or if you want to even collect these are really good collectibles. So both of these were $6.99 each. And then I got a Hello Kitty eye patch. This one has collagen, vitamin C, and retinol. And these are perfect for me because like I said, I am sleeping extra, so my eyes do get a little bit puffy in the mornings or even at the end of the night, to be honest. So you just leave them on for 15 minutes and then you wash them off and then you carry on with your skincare and you're good to go. Oh my god, I felt so lucky when I found a MAC product. This is Maxx Clarifying Gel to Foam Cleanser. Super cute bottle. You guys know MAC is superior for their classic packaging. This is a deep cleanser, so I can't wait to use this. This was $16.99. I'm not sure what the normal price is. I'm gonna have to look it up and then leave it for you guys, but I'm pretty sure I got a good deal with that. The last thing that I got, as I told you before, I am gonna be braiding my hair pretty soon. Marshalls, like I can't believe it, but they were selling some braiding hair and it's from a company that I've never seen before. So this company is called Slay. Super long braiding hair, you guys. So this is already pre-stretched and this is supposed to be anti-itch. So I'm really excited for it because the one that I tried before really is itchy. So you know, I'm just trying to see if I can try something new. But this actually comes in 6 packages and it was only $29.99. So like, come on now. That is like $5 per pack. I don't even need that many packs. I think I only need 2, maybe 2.5. So I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna be doing black and a little bit of brown hair, or maybe blonde. We'll see. So that is everything that I got from Marshalls, you guys. And then the last super heavy bag that I have is from tjmaxx. The first thing that I got is this super cute doggy set for my dog. Should I bring him out to say hi to the camera? No, he's sleeping right now. I don't want to bother him, but I got this set for him for Christmas. It's like a bluish gray color and it has snowflakes and little reindeers on it. This is in the size medium, $12.99. So super cute. I can't wait to try this on for him. And then I got 2 loungewear sets. I couldn't pass these up. I think beige, I mean obviously I'm in beige right now, but I think beige right now is really a cute color for me. I'm just loving it for fall and winter. This is the first one that I got. First, it comes with a tank top, and I got this in a size small. So a crop tank top that's kind of furry. It's warm, it's thick, it's soft. It also comes with sweats. These are just straight leg sweats, and it also has drawstrings for you to tighten it, and then a very long cardigan. It is pretty much a polyester set, and this was only $34.99. And then the second one I got is in the brand Pink Rose. It comes with a tank top that you can wear under. I got this also in a size small, and I just love ribbed tank tops. I think that it's so cute. Ribbed anything is just super cute. This is the little cute cardigan. You can either button all the way up or you can leave it unbuttoned, and then it also comes with, I would say this is more like a skinny type of sweats, more like leggings. I really like this set as well. I think it really does snatch you up. This one was $34.99. Last thing that I got in the clothing section were these Adidas socks. I think that these are so cute, like the color scheme, pink and blue and white. These were supposed to be $18, but tjmaxx has it for $7.99. These really look like the varsity type of vintage socks. Again, these were the last ones, so I had to pick them up. They would look so beautiful when I go work out, when I pair them up with my favorite leggings. I did pick up another cleanser. This is Elizabeth Arden. Honestly, I think the packaging just really sold me on this, so I wanted to pick it up just to try it out. I haven't heard anything about this brand before. This is for dry and sensitive skin, so I thought that that was just perfect for winter. This goes for $7.99. This satin sleep collection from collabs. This set has a scrunchie scrunchie, an eye patch, and a pillow cover. And it really does match with my bedding set right now. My bedding set is like a white beige color. This was $12.99. I've been really needing to hone in on my kind of like beauty reset or beauty system. I know I need to wrap up my hair in a satin scarf, but sometimes I get a little bit lazy, so I'm gonna switch out my pillow sets just to have satin. You know, some nights when I'm just forgetting to put my hair in a satin scarf, that I have at least the pillow set already there. For some of you guys that also has issues with some acne, I would recommend a satin pillowcase as well. And the last tip I have for that is make sure you buy up multiples. Like, I'm gonna actually go on Amazon or go on Shein and buy like 4 or 5 of them so I can switch them out like every couple of days. Okay, so the biggest thing that I see in here, which I'm grabbing, these two are separate items, but I'm just gonna show them together. But this is the Brookstone Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser set. I used to have a diffuser and then I was like, I don't really need it. I'm gonna go back to candles. And so I threw the diffuser, and then now I'm on my clean girl era, which is buying clean products and finding products that are good for you. And having a candle on is actually pretty harmful to you with all the soot. Breathing that in is not very good. So I'm deciding on going back to natural aromas. So I found this one, which is super cute. It is sweater weather. It has vanilla, sandalwood, lavender. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be mixing all 3 of these scents together. And this was $7.99. So super cheap for all 3. It also already comes with 2 pure essential oils. It comes with lemon and sweet orange, which I'm not gonna use right now. I'm probably gonna use them in the summer or in the spring. And it is a pretty small size as well, which I like. And I forgot, I also picked these up as well. These are also essential oils. So this one is Calm and Rest, Lavender, Peppermint, and Just Lavender. And this is in the brand Brookstone, which is the same brand as the diffuser. A very good brand, actually. Both of these were $4.99. Oh my god, I think I lucked in when I found this, you guys. This is Clean It Zero, the really popular brand. Super cute travel set item. This is their double cleansing mini set. Let me show you guys what the bottles look like. So cute. I do have a trip that's coming up and I'm pretty excited to be using this. I'm gonna definitely bring it on. But both of these together were only $4.99. So that is a super, super good deal. And then I picked up this serum, which is the Frizz Be Gone serum. It does remind me of the Chi serum I used to use a lot as well. But I ran out of that one a couple of months ago, so I wanted to try something new. Before I picked it up, I even searched on the reviews and this had like more than 4 stars. Definitely needed to try it out. I will let you guys know because like I said, I have super, super frizzy hair. Like my hair, my curls could be like, you know, like a pretty like this, and then frizz will make it like this. You know what I mean? Especially on days where it's humid, like I'm not excited for that. But the last thing I got was a sugar scrub. It has little cute Santas on it. He's so adorable. I love this, and it has a Christmas tree, so I think this is perfect for Christmas. This smells so good. I think this is super cute just to have in your bathroom on the monthly resets that I do. I shave and wax pretty often, so I just love going through all my exfoliants. I don't know why I said that that was the last thing. This is actually the last thing that I got. I swear I don't have anything hiding. This is a multiple hand cream collection set. It has vanilla sugar, fresh coconut, calm lavender, and honey almond. This is also a velvet tray that you can actually reuse for the future as well. So I'm definitely gonna interchange that with the Hello Kitty hand creams. Guys, that is everything that I got. I hope I inspired you guys to do a little bit of shopping for yourselves. I know during this crazy time when you're buying a bunch of stuff for your loved ones, sometimes you may forget about yourself as well. So I guess this was just a friendly reminder to spoil yourselves, to love yourselves, give yourselves a cute treat. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this week. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.